Do you need to control the fuel of your fleet? The GK7 Plus is the market's leading fleet and supply controller, a system that controls the supply of fuel that will tell you the consumption of each user, vehicle, kilometers, assigns limits, time restrictions, and prevents irregular consumptions. It stores all data securely in Diesel Plus. A quick and easy installation. GK7 Plus controllers are equipped to automatically communicate with the cloud. No technical intervention or additional equipment is required. The system can control multiple dispensers simultaneously. It's compatible with any type of pump. You'll have all your supply data available from any device with an internet connection or from the Diesel Plus app, available in the Apple Store or Play Store. It exports and imports your supply data, vehicles and users to any software, restricts access permissions to the software according to user profile, or automatically synchronizes Diesel Plus information with your ERP. It controls your fuel stock, optimizes your purchases, and controls consumptions. You'll never run out of fuel again. Don't worry about your pump. Diesel Plus will automatically send you the listings you need to your email and will inform you of the alarms or events that occur in your installation. You'll be able to obtain lists by user, vehicles, groups, bases, or cost centers, or control different bases from the same account. It prevents supplying unauthorized personnel or vehicles. All GK7 controllers by default carry the identification system by iButton and by numerical code, optionally having other identification systems. Integrate the controller to your existing dispensers, or check out our wide range of dispensers with the integrated GK7 Plus controller. GK7 Plus, full control.